Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound and vibration. Now let's tap on this ringtone section, and here we've been transferred to the online ringtones from which we can choose. So of course you will need the internet connection to be able to check them. However, if you're not the biggest fan of new options, the online options, you can always tap on pre-installed ringtones or local ringtones, which means that you will have to have something downloaded, for example, to be able to set it. But as you can see, you've got the alternative to the online ringtones. Basically everything works the same in the pre-installed ringtones and the online ringtones, so I will show you something on the I will show you the whole operation on the online ringtones. All right. So let's all you have to do is to enter the specific album. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So let me choose maybe instrumental. And here we've got the name of the ringtones, which you can check. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And of course, ring is silenced, so we will not be able to check anything. Okay. Alright, so this is how it works. You have to simply tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. As you can see, as I said, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So just tap on the specific ringtone and listen to it. If you want to apply it, make sure that you will tap on this bell or ring icon. Your device will ask you whether you want to select this ringtone, so confirm it with OK. Your device will have to download it, and also that's why you need the internet connection. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and we can now go back. And for some reason it did not change. Let me select this one maybe. The flowers bring good news. I like the name of it. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So as you can see, you really have to check it right here to be sure that it has been immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.